as well as Frankie Amaya in the centre of midfield.
Yeah, and so much of this Red Bull philosophy comes from that middle of midfield. Marc-Anthony Kaye, such an important figure in this league, a Canadian international, World Cup veteran.
A new day, a new dawn, a new era for football in North America. We welcome you to the new, to the normal and to the now. A period drenched in curiosity, Kalen. Fernandez. Lovely ball through. Bonsia, and still Bonsia. Flashed across the face. It's to go down as the first real opening for the Red Bulls here this evening. Here's Kaye. To the US international Duan Jones. From Massapequa, New York, just 52 miles east of Red Bull Arena. Striking with a lovely switch of play. Here's Harper. Quinhas, the former Benfica man, brings it forwards. Harper! And Bonsia! And there in itself perhaps lies the real problems for Red Bull New York. Bonsia unable to capitalise.
Well-worked play here from Red Bull, with New England sitting a little bit deeper, and Luquinhas just drives there, and this cutback ball across the grain leaves it wide open to Van Zier, who strikes down on it. It's the right ball from Harper to cut it back, understanding the defensive drop deep.
Farrell happy to dice with danger. Darm rolls the highest and indeed wins a free kick. First yellow card of the evening is brandished in the way of Bobby Wood, much to his dismay. Heel. Nealis firmly away. Amaya down under the challenge of Marc-Anthony Kaye.
To try to make that difference in the game.
Tolkien touched inside. Thought about it. Here's Luquinhas! Straight down the throat of Petrović.
It's a perfect ball, weighted in behind. Just teased Tyler Miller into coming off his line, and a glancing header. Great finish from Bo in that last match.
Nothing. Here come New York Red Bulls. Dante Bonsia. Romney able to manoeuvre him to one side. Bonsia getting the better of him. Good ball played across goal. And still a really good save by Petrović, denying Omar Fernandez, and Red Bull New York the opening goal.
Red Bull been the far more aggressive team, and Van Zier opens the hips so well there and closes them against Romney. And a fantastic ball that gets caught underneath by. Fernandez follows this one up, just drops right to him on the 6, right on the doorstep, and Petrović comes across his goal so well there, makes himself big.
Perhaps one more opening. Bonsia, ahead of him is Barlow! The flag raised on the far side. Tom Barlow cruelly denied a first goal in Leagues Cup.
This well, and once again it comes from Van Zier. It's really tight there, where Barlow is able to stretch that line. Just
once again into the unfamiliar, into the unknown, with possibilities aplenty at Red Bull Arena. Here's Andam in for the injured Andres Reyes, for those of you joining us late. Bo regaining possession and winning a free kick. Yellow card brandished to Cameron Harper. Back once again. Really good opening here for New England, and behind for a corner. Omar Fernandez twisting and turning, tries to slip it through, does just that. Angle against Luquinhas. Farrell there to clear. Farrell tussling with Barlow. Now an attacking-minded Tolkien, cleverly done by the US international. Here come New York Red Bull.
Late arriving run from a midfielder to fill that position.
Tolkien's ball in. Petrović got a piece of it. Here's Nealis back into the danger zone and down! Flashed forward now for New England. Another opening here. Bo Bow! Straight into the grasp of Coronel.
Sliding over, trying to flick it to that far corner. Just curl it to that back post. Unable to get his final action right, but as far as the build-up play, much better from Red Bull.
Duncan into space. Elias Manuel! Wrong side of the post. Slipped it through. Brioni! Smart save by the goalkeeper and cleared away by Nelis.
It's a big opportunity laid on, and who else? Carlos Gil finding that little slip ball with the outside of his left foot.
So the penalty starts. Petrović against Elias Manuel. It's Manuel. And saved by Petrović. Of course it is. He is a sensation. It's Duan Jones who hits the post. We're all square. The former Juventus centre forwards. Brioni. It's saved. How things have turned at Red Bull Arena.
Has shifted. Brioni with a strange run up. Gives it a little bit of a.
It comes down to this. If Tolkien scores, 2 points to New York Red Bull. Tolkien does score!
For Red Bull, you can see here, just opens his hips at the last second to push it past Petrović, and then goes over to the corner and has some fun with it.